Welcome back to this new video about portrait photography. The behind the scenes of this shooting that I bring you today, as you have already understood, took place in an abandoned factory in April at about 5 p.m. The sky was cloudy, no hope of a ray of sunshine. Let's see now the equipment I used. The camera body, the Canon EOS R with a lens 85mm 1.2 and 135mm. Where I always inserted a variable ND filter Freewell to shoot in the flash sync time of the EOS R, which I remember and 1/200, in other camera bodies could be faster, as in the Sony a7 III where the flash sync time is 1/250th, instead in the Sony a7C slower because it is 1/160th. With regard to the light, I used a setup very light and fast to install, composed of a flash Godox AD100pro, very small and lightweight, and I can tell you that if you use this flash without using high sync speed, HSS, has the right power that I needed on this occasion without shooting at high powers, and we will have a faster recharge and no heating problems. As a light modifier, a simple white translucent soft umbrella and a simple compact and light stand by Manfrotto. I will put everything in description that I used. I created a playlist with other videos dedicated to this flash. You will also find the review. About the use of Freewell filters, I removed only 2 stops ND4. The shutter speed without filter was 1/800th. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Let me know below in the comments. Tell me your opinion is important to me, and if you have any preferences about future videos that you would like to bring in the channel, always write in the comments or find me on Instagram.